Hi, I'm Sarah Dobkins. As a collegiate sports dietitian, it's my job to help give athletes a competitive edge with nutrient-rich foods and fluids. Today, I want to share some simple and inexpensive tips to help keep athletes hydrated. A general rule of thumb to meet fluid needs is to drink half your body weight in ounces. For example, if you weigh 120 pounds, you should aim to consume about 60 ounces of fluid throughout the day. Athletes should carry a water bottle with them so they can stay hydrated round the clock. One tip I like to recommend to help athletes drink more fluids is to add their favorite fruit to their water bottle to flavor it. It's especially important to rehydrate after exercise. Losing just 2% of your body weight through sweat can have a negative impact on performance and cause things like cramps. Chocolate milk is an excellent recovery beverage that has nutrients that sports drinks don't have. Nature's Sports Drink provides sodium and potassium, which are lost through sweating, to help the athlete rehydrate. Chocolate milk also has carbohydrates to replenish energy and 8 grams of high-quality protein per glass to help build muscle. Chocolate milk is an inexpensive and easy-to-find recovery beverage. At just 25 cents per glass, it's the best beverage bargain on the supermarket. Plus, it's packed with bone-building minerals like calcium and vitamin D. I think that sports nutrition is really a secret weapon for an athlete. Oftentimes, athletes pour hours into training and neglect their nutrition. If the nutrition is not a priority, they're more likely to get injured or get sick. So, practicing good sports nutrition habits really gives the athlete a competitive edge.